In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Outlook working offline. If Outlook keeps showing offline and emails are stuck in the outbox, follow these steps to reconnect and send mail again. First, check if Outlook is set to work offline. Go to the Send/Receive tab and locate the Work Offline button. If it's highlighted or pressed in, click it to turn it off. Outlook should attempt to reconnect immediately. Look at the bottom right corner, it should say, "Connected to Microsoft Exchange," or "Connected." If it still shows offline, continue. Next, restart Outlook. Close the app completely, wait a few seconds, and open it again. This often clears temporary glitches that prevent Outlook from going online. Now verify your internet connection. Make sure your device is online and stable. If using Wi-Fi, disconnect and reconnect. Even a brief network hiccup can push Outlook into offline mode. Move closer to the router or switch to a more reliable network if needed. If the problem persists, update Outlook. Go to File Office Account Update Options. Update now. Let the update finish and restart Outlook. Updates often fix connectivity issues and improve syncing reliability. For deeper fixes, repair Outlook. Open Control Panel Programs and Features. Locate Microsoft Office, right-click, and select Change. First, try Quick Repair. It's fast and runs offline. If that doesn't help, run Online Repair, which is more thorough, may take longer, and could require a restart. Follow prompts carefully and save your work beforehand. After repairs, open Outlook and check that it's connected and messages are sending. By following these steps, from toggling offline mode, restarting, checking connectivity, updating, to repairing, you'll usually restore Outlook's online status. If issues remain, contact your IT support or email provider, as some settings may be specific to your organization's environment.